Look, Mommy. There's Mason. There's your boy, Mom. Oh, look, there's Riley. There's your boy. Come on. First day of school. Why don't you tie your shoe? Somebody's talking to you, Riley. Come on. Get in the truck. In the back. Go on, fat ass. Get in there. Did everybody have a good day at school? Huh? Fine, that was it? Just fine? Wasn't exciting? Does it seem like it's going to be a better school? You like your teachers? Yeah. So far, so good? Huh?
I said you need to start giving me money.
I need to what? Nigga, what?
Start giving me money against school.
I gotta pay you to go to school?
No. You have to. See, John? You have to.
What do you think, Gonza?
We either.
Yeah. Me too.
But no. You have to either pay to get your food. No, you don't. Yeah, you do. No, you don't.
You're not supposed to have to.
Huh?
You're not supposed to have to.
You're supposed to type in your number. Yeah, you're supposed to type in your number, which has money on it. And when you type in your number that has money on it, they'll take the money. And we don't have to do that. What? You been playing ball with her?
No.
I thought you had a ball in your hands.
Pop bottle. Watch your tail. Alright. I might as well give you all a walk around of the Sylvie while I'm out here. Cadillac tags. Oh. Slam. Super slam. Got another grill for it. And I'm looking for a cowl hood. So, if anybody knows where I can get a cowl hood, hit me up. Let me know. And no, this is not a scrap hauler. That is actually a big ass cobalt cabinet that I'm going to put in the garage, and it's just got a few other things thrown in there. And as you can see, being C-notched in the back is working out very well for it. The bed's clean. The whole bed is nice. The bed sides, the lower quarters are good. I got a little bit of rust on both fenders. This one is it's all around the lip where that damn chrome trim was. And she needs a set of rockers. But shit, other than my mess, she's a pretty nice truck. Seats are just dirty. No rips, burns, or tears. And it's a 92. I know y'all seen them pipes. That's not actual mileage. The motor's been rebuilt. You hear that? Cammed out. You already know I gotta have the Flowmasters. She gotta miss. I'm not real smart when it comes to motor shit. I can take it apart and put it back together, but it's got a bad lifter, or the cam's got a bad lobe on it. For the second cylinder from the back, or second cylinder from the front on the passenger side, the intake valve doesn't move at all. It's like just stay still. But I forgot the best part. Yeah, it's a hard truck to find right here, and it's an original 5-speed. But she runs like shit. Excuse me, holding the phone and driving a 5-speed with one hand. See, I should be really moving. Sounds like she's going fast as hell. Oh, don't mind the speedometer, it only works when it wants to. We're about back to the house now though, so I'm gonna close this up. I'm gonna start trying to make at least a video a day, if not every other day. And like I was saying in the last video, big change is coming soon. I have intros, a new intro piece for all my videos and all that shit. But I need a good idea. I'm gonna do another walk around video of my other vehicles too, and if there's anything else y'all want to see, let me know. I can hear that mess. Say we're about back to the house now, so if there's anything you guys want to see, shit, let me know. Don't forget, like, share, most important, subscribe, but don't forget that bell. I'm up to 33 subscribers now. Like I was saying earlier, I got over 3,000 friends on Facebook. Come on. Check me out. Give me some ideas what you want to see. For now, I'm out.